Greetings, beautiful Fran's fam. Dr. Fran here with your spirit message for March 2022. Now, I'm deciding to do what the angels want you to know in a different way. I used to do what the angels want you to know a long time ago. And everybody loved those messages because I would just channel direct messages from spirit. Throughout my journey, I have been led back to do this. So I've been told by my spirit guides, my angels, heavenly staffs, to start doing monthly spirit messages. A lot of people do these in a lot of different ways. They use cards, they use tools. What I do is just channel directly messages from spirit. They are general messages, and if they come out with something regarding a specific thing, I will make sure that that is known. So let's get started. We thank you for this time and allowing us to come forth and speak to you and give you the messages that will help you in the month of March. March is a very interesting month. March is a month of new beginnings. As we begin to change seasons, life begins to change. This month is going to be one of many surprises. Surprises around personal, but really surprises around business. There's going to be multiple surprises around business. Business relations, opening businesses, whether you own your own business, there will be an acceleration of business, meaning if you have been in a financial slump from the beginning of the year to now within your business or your business profession, you will see an increase of financial abundance. Now, this flow of financial abundance will come when you listen to intuitive guidance that you have been given and that you have asked for. Many of you have asked for instruction and information around your business, but when that instruction and information shows up, you don't follow through with that. We are encouraging you this month to follow through with those things. If you've started projects within your business and you need to complete those projects, March would be the month to do that. So this is going to be a good month for financial abundance if you are open to following the instruction that you're given by Spirit. We want to make sure that you understand that you all have a direct link to divine downloads and very, very important instructions from Spirit. Many of you pray for things, and then when you're giving the answer to those things, you doubt those things. We're encouraging you this month to pay attention to the intuitive divine guidance that you're being given in your personal lives, around your personal lives, enhancing of your personal lives, transforming of your personal lives, obtaining the things that you desire in your personal lives, whether that be love, health, business, family, whatever it may be this month that you've been praying for in the past 2 months around your personal enhancement of your life. Pay attention to that. This is also a month to look at your relationships. Personal relationships. It's what's coming forth at this time. Pay attention to those that you've given your heart to, those that you consider friends, those that you consider acquaintances, those that you consider to be, as the world calls it, rides or dies. We want you to look at your relationships and see if they are equally yoked, if the benefits are on both sides. Some of these relationships will be able to be repaired by just simply having a conversation and reiterating and restating your expectations around the relationship. There's a lot going on this month around the throat chakra and people not being able to speak their truths. Afraid. There's a lot of fear around letting go of things that no longer serve. There's a lot of fear around being alone. There's a lot of fear around not attracting or drawing in a partner, our partnerships, our friendships. Some of you sit in the house alone and you are in fear. We encourage you to get out this month. Be seen. Make yourself available for the relationships and the friendships that you want. Release the things that are no longer serving you, the things that are draining you, the things that are vexing your spirit. This is the month to do that. If you're finding that you are having challenges around speaking your truth, speaking your truth, we would like to give you a tool to use. Get a necklace with a crystal on it, preferably a crystal of protection, but you can use any crystal that you like. You could simply just wear a necklace. Necklaces open up the throat chakra, and they also provide healing around that area. The energy and the vibration of a crystal on the necklace heals the throat chakra. A lot of you have a lot of words stuck right in your throats. Things you want to say, things you've been wanting to say. This is the month to say those things. You can get your point across being very gentle. You don't have to be mean. You don't have to be rude. But you do have to speak your truth. March is the month to do that. This month is also an opportunity for divine appointments, divine meetings. So again, we're back to the personal parts of things. If you make yourself available, you may find yourself in new friendships and new opportunities and having people in your life that are on your same level, people that are maybe like-minded, people that are also interested in you beyond what you have to offer. Make yourself available for those meetings this month. We also are getting information around water. This is a great time for those of you who are trying to eliminate sugary, carbonated drinks. We're asking you to replace it with water, but as you begin to replace it with water and you begin to drink more water, we're asking you to speak your intentions into the water. As you take a sip, be very intentional. I am, as you begin to drink the water, be very intentional. And if you are intentional about adding more water, you will find that your taste and your desire for the sugary carbonated drinks will go away. Also, some of you need to get outdoors. You're inside way too much. We want you to open your windows this month. We want you to organize and clear your space. Get rid of stagnant energy this month. Open the doors. Let the breeze of spirit blow into your home. As you're opening your doors and you're walking through your homes and you are being intentional about what it is you'd like to see in your homes. If you'd like to have a new home, how would you like to have your home clean and clear, decluttered, so that you can allow the spirit of good energy in? And as you're doing this, ask for the spirit of good energy. March is a good time to re-clarify your desires. There's a universal shift this month that is happening in the way of creation as things begin to bloom. Your life will also begin to bloom if you are intentional. Be consistent this month. Do the work. Do the things that you need to do to interact and be around spirit, and ask for what you desire. Don't play small this month. Don't play small this month. Don't play small this month. Ask for what you desire. This is a month of miracles. March is a month of miracles. March is the month to create the miracles that you desire to see in your life by being intentional. You have to be present and available for the move of spirit in your life. Some of you are asking for the move of spirit in your life and you get very frustrated because this move is not happening, or so you think, or it may appear. The laws of the universe are not working for you. The law of attraction, the law of circulation, the law of reciprocity, the law of the universe is always working. It's sometimes the physical being that is not working. The laws always work. The word always stands. The things that we teach our beloved is the things that she teaches you. Things come back until you get them. Repetition is key. Repetition in your affirmation, repetitions in your decrees, repetition in your mantras, repetition creates. Being a vibrational match for the things that you desire simply means being available for the move of spirit in your life. It's not complicated. Frankly, it's quite easy. Once you realize that you are the vessel, the move, God in action, you will understand that there is no failure in you. March is a month that has come to prove to you who you are by consistency, perseverance, mindset changes. Slow and steady wins the race. You don't have to rush to do, be, have, because it's yours for the asking. Nothing is taken away because you don't move at a certain pace. It is yours. You just have to ask for it. This month will surprise a few of you, as I hear a few of you are saying, I'm going to try this. I'm going to do this. I am going to see just what happens. You will be completely and totally amazed when you are persistent in your practice. You will be completely and totally amazed when you open the door for spirit. There is no right or wrong way to connect. Connection is guaranteed when you ask. March is a month of miracles. Prepare yourself for them. Be available, be open, be ready. We would like to leave you with this. The affirmation for the month of March would be, it is mine because I am worthy. It is mine because I am worthy. It is mine because I am worthy. So be it, so it is. We are complete.